mint chutney.
One bunch of mint. Half cup of tamarind pulp. 3 to 4 green chilies. Some curry leaves. Salt as per taste. Half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Take a jar and transfer mint leaves. Add salt. Add green chilies. Add tamarind pulp. Add some cumin seeds. Grind it. Chutney is ready. Transfer it in a bowl. Hit dye and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add mustard and cumin seeds. Add curry leaves. Gently add tempering in chutney. Spicy and tasty mint chutney is ready. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.